In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a magnetic snap on your videos in Shotcut. So I have here one video that I've just added on my timeline, but the problem is if I go ahead and add another video track like this on the same timeline, then if I try to move it closer to this, I'm really struggling to make them align or stick to each other. Sometimes it may go beyond, and look at that. And sometimes if I try to move it closer and just being careful, you find that there is some space that has been left here. So if you want to avoid this, the best thing to do is to go ahead and turn on the snap feature or snap tool in Shotcut. So to do that, head over here and you can see a magnet-like icon. And this icon will help us to snap several video clips whenever you add them on your timeline. So if you tap on that and then go ahead now and move this, whenever you try to move closer, it will just snap together and it won't go beyond that. And now look at that, they have fitted together. If I go ahead and take another video clip again and add here, it has left some space, but I can just easily move it and it will snap at playheads like that. And now they have joined together. So by using this feature, you can easily add videos in your timeline without having issues of leaving gaps in your videos or cutting into other videos on your timeline. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.